Hello, lovely people. Floorspace Realty here again. I am happy to present a 4-bedroom house for sale inside a mini gated community in the heart of East Legon Hills. Each unit comprises of 3 bedrooms in the main building and a staff quarters or helps room, which is also ensuite at the back. Ensuite with bathrooms at the back of the house. Now let's get inside one of the homes so you can see through our camera lens. It has a very, very spacious compound. Well, the asking price for this is 180,000 USD. 180,000 USD. There's a water storage tank and then a pump as well. There's already Ghana water. This door leads to the maid's room or the helps room, and then that leads to the kitchen. We're still going round. So as you can see, there are spaces that have been demarcated for lawn or garden, flowers, any horticultural activities on the compound, on each compound. And this is an exit door, an exit gate in the estate. There's also one at the opposite end. Now let's get inside and see the interior layout. This is the living area, sitting room or hall as we call it in Ghana. The space you are looking at can be used as the dining area. And then there's an adjoining kitchen with a storeroom. The kitchen comes fully fitted, as we can see. This is the guest washroom. Now let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. What I like about this home is that there are lots of windows, so it allows for natural light during the day, so you can really save on electricity. It's an energy efficient home. So that was the family area, and then there's a balcony. This is the neighborhood. And this is the first bedroom with its wall unit or wardrobe. It has a full bathroom. That's the wardrobe, built-in wardrobe. This is the second bedroom upstairs. Also has its own built-in wardrobe. And washroom. Now let's go to the master bedroom, or what we call the primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious with a walk-in closet. And then this is the washroom. There are 8 units in all, but only 4 are available as at the time I was doing this video. So do give us a call, email, or text, and we can schedule to see this beautiful home. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching.